Billions of people throw away eggshells every day without realizing how valuable they really are. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to recycle them, and the results might truly surprise you. Start with the first step, cleaning the eggshells. This part is important because the shells come from food and can carry dirt, residue, and bacteria on the surface. Take a clean tray and pour in some water. Add a small amount of salt and stir until it dissolves. This creates a simple cleaning solution. Now, place the eggshells into the tray and spread them out so they are fully submerged. Leave them to soak for about 30 minutes. During this time, the salt water helps loosen dirt and reduce bacteria on the outer surface. After soaking, take a brush and begin cleaning each shell. Work carefully and clean both the inside and outside surfaces. This step removes any remaining residue and ensures the shells are fully prepared for reuse. Rinse them again using fresh salt water and allow them to soak for another 30 minutes. This second soak helps improve cleanliness and prepares them for drying. Clean the shells thoroughly and let them soak long enough. But keep in mind, this step only reduces surface bacteria. You will still need a heat treatment later to ensure they are fully sanitized and safe to use. Once finished, remove the shells and place them under direct sunlight. Let them dry completely. This step removes moisture and prevents unwanted odor later. After drying, bring the shells back and place them into a mortar. Begin crushing them into smaller pieces. The goal here is to break them down into manageable fragments. Now move to the next stage. Heat treatment. Place the crushed shells into a pan and heat them gently. This process removes any remaining odor and further sterilizes the material. Stir occasionally to ensure even heating. Once the shells are dry and slightly brittle, remove them from the heat and return them to the mortar. Continue grinding until the texture becomes finer. This creates a powder that can be used in different applications. Now take a sieve and separate the material. Collect the fine powder in one container and keep the larger fragments in another. Each type will serve a different purpose. Grinding the shells into a fine powder helps release the calcium more effectively, making it easier to absorb and improving its performance in whatever application you use it for later. Now move to the first application, improving coffee. Take your coffee filter and add ground coffee as usual. The slow drip from the filter allows the coffee to extract gradually, helping develop a smoother flavor and giving the water more time to interact evenly with the grounds. Then sprinkle a small amount of the fine eggshell powder on top. Pour hot water and allow the coffee to drip slowly as the liquid passes through. The eggshell powder interacts with the coffee, helping reduce bitterness and acidity, while also making the liquid appear clearer. I'm sure you've got your own helpful methods, so share them in the comment section and let's help each other out. After brewing, take a sip and notice the difference. The flavor feels smoother, less harsh, and more balanced. This simple addition can improve the drinking experience without changing your routine. Now move to the second application, cleaning a greasy pan. Over time, Pans collect layers of stubborn grease that are difficult to remove with regular washing. Take the coarse eggshell fragments and mix them with baking soda and dish soap. Stir until you get a thick paste. What started as simple waste has now become a useful resource for daily life, instead of throwing eggshells away. Take a moment to process them and see how they can be reused effectively. Apply this mixture onto the surface of the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. This allows the solution to soften the grease. After waiting, take a sponge with a rough surface and begin scrubbing. The eggshell fragments act as a natural abrasive, strong enough to remove buildup, but gentle enough not to damage the surface. Spray some water and continue scrubbing. As you work, the grease begins to lift away, revealing a cleaner surface underneath. Rinse the pan and observe the result. The bottom appears much cleaner and closer to its original condition. This method shows how a simple material can replace stronger chemical cleaners. Now move to the final and most valuable application, using eggshells for planting. Make a tiny hole at the bottom to allow water to drain. Prepare a mixture of soil and finely crushed eggshell. Combine them evenly. This adds natural calcium into the growing medium. As the plant begins to grow, the eggshell provides nutrients that support stronger structure and healthier development. Calcium helps improve cell walls, making the plant more stable. The shell itself also helps keep the soil loose and improves drainage, reducing the risk of overwatering. Over time, the seed grows into a small plant, supported by a material that would normally be thrown away. Fill the shell with the mixture and place a seed inside. Add a small amount of water and set it aside in a well-lit area. Work slowly, follow each step, and observe how the material changes at each stage. These small transformations lead to practical results. In addition, crushed eggshells can be mixed directly into the base of your plants. Eggshells break down slowly, so they won't shock the roots, making them ideal for long-term plant care. As they decompose, they help neutralize acidic soil and improve overall soil balance. This creates a more stable environment for plant growth over time. This method works especially well with many common flowers such as roses, chrysanthemums, and bougainvillea, helping them grow healthier and stronger with minimal effort. If you try this at home, experiment with different amounts and applications. See what works best for you and how it fits into your routine. Share your results so others can learn from your experience. And stay with the channel for more ideas where everyday materials are turned into something useful, practical, and worth keeping.